So guys, welcome to this webinar and demo session where I'm going to talk about my training sessions. Okay. Trainings. What are the type of trainings I am taking and what exactly they are and some small demo. Okay. For you guys, I am going to do that. So the trainings we can categorize into two types here. One is teaching or training, you can say. Okay. Here I am running two batches. I generally run two types of batches. Batches types, you can say, batches types. I run two types of batches. And most of the cases in my trainings, I'll use this kind of diagrams and all to make the things easier for you. One is a training batch where all the things I'll be teaching. I'll be teaching completely. It's all about teaching, guys. Okay. I'll be teaching the stuff. Okay. From scratch. Even though you don't know anything from scratch, Java, it may be HTML also. If it is required, I'll teach you. That is a training batch. The other part is the implementation batch. Implementation batch. Okay. So there's another batch for the people who already are aware of training and they want to implement the learnings that they have done and they want to increase their confidence level and have some get some experience of working in a project. We have the implementation batch. So we run this software testing batches. Okay. Software testing batches. Software testing. When I say software testing, Selenium Java automation also is included. Okay. In software testing, manual and automation both. Okay. And many other stuff. So these batches are divided into two types. One is training batch. Other one is the implementation batch. Okay. So in the training batch, complete training will go on. But in the implementation batch, we are going to implement. There is like a live automation batch. This is a live automation batch, live automation batch where we automate the test cases like 500 plus test cases of various applications we'll automate here. Okay. In training, if you are new to software testing and tools like Selenium Java automation and manual testing, in training batch, we'll teach you. Okay. We'll teach here. We'll teach software testing and training. Okay. Software testing and tools will train here. Whereas here we'll implement them in real time. So that you should be job ready. Okay. To make you guys job ready and to get confidence. Okay. To increase your confidence levels at work. Okay. Some project work if you want to show in your company. Let's say you have not worked anywhere and you want to showcase your work. Okay. There's no way of getting right. In this implementation batch, I will make you guys do a project with me. Okay. I'll be the main one who will be doing that. Okay. I'll be the main one who will be, automating the stuff or, doing this project. And by working with me, you guys will be getting some confidence. If you are new to software testing or something, you are trying for jobs for software testing, this live automation batch will help you. But without training, it will not help you. So this live automation batch, this training batch is going to start on November 1st. Currently, one batch is going on. The next batch is going to start on November 1st, 2024. The timings are 8:30 p.m. IST. Okay, 8:30 p.m. IST to 9:30 p.m. IST. These are the timings. Okay. Yeah. And the next thing here is, if you want to enroll into the training, if you are completely new to software testing and tools, Selenium, Java, everything you are new and you want to learn something, then you need to enroll in our training program first. Okay. Then you have to enroll in our training program. You have to reach out to Javed. Javed, I think he's there in this. Javed, you there? You can provide your details in the chat box,
Yes,
Javed.
sir. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can provide your details. So Javed is our member, okay, who will be taking care of enrolling the people, okay? So I'll not be taking care of that enrollment process. You need to contact Javed. He will be providing you the details in the chat box now, okay? I'll also provide here on the screen meanwhile. So in this Telegram group also, we just keep posting the details anyhow. So these are the details of Javed that you have to contact, okay? Should not contact me, rather you have to contact Javed for enrolling the process, okay? Either you can contact Javed on this Telegram ID or WhatsApp, okay, or call. You can reach out to him and then get yourself enrolled in the training. And I assure that this training will be from scratch. Even though you don't know ABCDs of software testing, you'll understand. The main things about these trainings are I'm going to make it as easy as possible, as optimized as possible. Okay. You see, initially, you should not spend a lot of time, guys. Okay. You should not go in depth. But how much optimized you want to learn the stuff is very important. Okay. Optimized learning will be provided here. Optimized in all our things, optimized learning, you can say. Optimized learning means in less time, you are going to learn a lot of concepts. In less time, you are going to learn a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm going to duration, I'm going to give you, don't worry. So here optimized learning, and because of which the duration will be 1.5 months. Okay. Max is 1.5 months, I'm saying. Okay. So I may complete way before also, but before 1.5 months also I can complete the training. Fine. No, we don't share any syllabus because it is an optimized thing and we don't want to, showcase in the market. But our trainings are university type of trainings. That means even after this 1.5 month also, you can be part of our trainings. Because on every weekend, okay, if you are part of this training, which is going to happen on 8:30 p.m. IST, on weekends, we have something known as weekends. Okay, weekends. Weekends crash courses will be there. Every weekend crash courses will be there. There, I'm going to teach you a lot of stuff. Okay, if you are part of this, you don't have to enroll here. Okay, if you already have enrolled for training batch, this weekend crash course also will come into the training batch only. So on one weekend, I'll talk about, software testing manual part. On one weekend, I'll talk about Java. On one weekend, I'll talk about, locators. On one weekend, I'll talk about introduction to Selenium, etc. Selenium. In one weekend, I'll talk about like that lot, etc., etc. API. One weekend API. Everything is paid. Everything is paid. You have to enroll into this batch. You have to enroll into this batch. So the price for this training batch is rupees 5,000, guys. Okay. You need to pay rupees 5,000 to attend this training batch. It's lifetime training access batch. If you enroll once, you can attend all our future trainings also. It's not that only current batch you will attend. You are entitled to attend all the training batches also. The future current. At a time, if two batches are going on, you can be part of them, both of them. Okay. I will not be skipping. I will not be skipping collections and all. The course will be optimized and in detailed also. I'll not be optimizing. Okay. You can know from my existing students. We have a group. You see, this many students will not come if I am not giving it properly. Just see here. We have a group, guys. I'm going to share you the group. Okay. This is a closed group. This is not open for everyone. The people who enroll with us, you see 300 and almost 50 members are there in our training group. Okay. We have active discussions going on. This is not just, we are just unlike trainings that we have in the market. We don't do that like that. Okay. Yeah, because I will not share the syllabus because I don't want to stick to only some parts and, unlike institutes outside, right? Unlike institutes outside, if I share the syllabus, I have to stick to that only, right? I don't want to stick to any syllabus. I want to explain as much as I want. That's why I don't share any syllabus. Okay? That's why we don't share any syllabus. Our programs are designed in such a way that we'll explain everything. We'll explain everything, but we don't share any syllabus. Okay, if you have any question, let's say you asked me something, so I'll cover that in one of the day. Okay, I'll cover that particular topic in one of the day. If I give you the syllabus, I have to stick to the syllabus. We are very free because I told you, right? It's not like trainings, it's like a university. When you join a university, okay, so things keep happening, right? Things keep happening. Okay. No, we don't do any Telugu translation here. Fine. We don't have any Telugu translation available. Okay. So we don't have any Telugu translation here. But but the thing here is don't treat them as like general trainings. Okay. Don't treat them as like general trainings. These are not general training programs. These are like university. This 1.5 month is only the Selenium part. Okay. 1.5 month is only for the Selenium part. Remaining, it will continue, guys. We'll continue the course. It's never ending. Okay. So if you're already having the knowledge of Selenium and Java, you can join the implementation batch where creating the automation scripts as a side hustle project. Yeah, 25th is nothing but the November 1st. It moved to November 1st. 25th batch has been moved to November 1st due to the current batch got delayed a bit. So we are moving the 21st batch to the November 1st. Okay. We are moving the 21st batch, 25th batch to the November batch. Is that fine, Sandeep? Yeah, welcome. So guys, this is the thing. In implementation, I'll show you one example of the implementation, guys. I'll share you the notes also. I'll share you the recordings also, lifetime access to the recordings. You see, they will be like this. You see, if you're asking me about the topics, I can share you right away. You see, these are some high level topics. Okay. There are more. Okay. There are more, which I cannot document here. These are some high level topic. Introduction to Selenium, HTML, CSS basics, locator basic, everything has a notes ready. You see, if I say introduction to Selenium, these are the notes we have. Just see the notes here. One of the example of the notes you can see here. Some people were asking for a curriculum, right? I don't maintain any curriculum, okay? Because it's a free flow batch and I'll be covering the optimized way first, and after that we'll go to the detailed R&D mode later, okay? So there is no end to our trainings or something. You can be part of our trainings because weekends crash courses also will happen as part of R&D sessions and all, okay? Manual, you see, these are the notes. This is how the notes will be there. And also I'll be sharing the automation code on the GitHub repos. Okay. Whatever the code I write during the training program, right, they will be shared here. You see, if you go for this batch 3 framework, we are actually building a framework in the current batch from scratch. No one will teach you in the market, guys. People will say that in our curriculum, there is data-driven testing, data-driven framework, this hybrid framework, Cucumber BDD framework, but they will explain you from scratch. Yes, we can provide the certification if you want, Raparthi, not a problem. Implementation means no training. It's only automating. Directly we'll go and work on a project. I'll be working on the project. You will be seeing it on live so that you'll get confidence from me. Okay. From my experience, I am going to perform this automation testing or manual testing or API testing. You're going to see. Yes. For weekend and weekdays, if both are training batches only one time subscription is required for that. Lifetime training access is there. For this, you have to pay 5,000 rupees. And here also for implementation batch, you have to pay it separately. Okay. For implementation batch, you have to pay it separately, but the timing is different, guys. The time is different. Okay. The time is different. I'll just write somewhere here. Time. What is the time here for implementation batch? 7:15 p.m. IST. It will start. Okay. The implementation batch will start at 7 p.m. 15 p.m. IST. Here only implementation will be there, no training. If you are new to Selenium Java and manual testing and all, go for the training batch. That is weekend and weekday crash courses. Okay, weekends crash courses and weekday training programs. Everything will be there. As part of the weekday training program, it's going to start on freshly on November 1st. So be ready for that. Okay, as part of the weekends crash courses, is keep happening, guys. If you miss anything also on weekends, it may cover, and also within less time, it will be revised for you. On the weekends, I'll revise the topics for you in a faster manner. Okay. So as a revision, you can attend the weekend batches also. You see how simple it is, right? Because I'll be taking like 5 to 6 or 7 hours or sometimes 8 hours on Saturday and 8 hours on Sunday as part of the weekend crash course. Very detailed courses. For this training batch, which includes normal training, weekday training, and weekend training, it's only 5K only. You don't have to pay separately. Okay. For this training batch, for trainings, you have to pay 5K only. It may be weekday or weekend, doesn't matter. You just have to 5K for enrolling, and all my training programs will be free for you. It's a lifetime access training programs. Okay. Tomorrow, if I take any new topic like security testing, you don't have to pay for that. But here in implementation batch, you have to pay. For implementation batch is going to be separate, guys, separate batch. Okay, where only pure implementation will be there, no training will be there. We keep on automating good number of test cases like that will be there. That is implementation batch. Okay, for this also you have to reach out to Javed and reach out to Javed on this particular details. Okay, reach out to Javed on this particular details. Fine. Okay. So I'm getting some questions. Let me explain and let me clear your doubts now. If you have any questions, you can ask me, guys. Okay. This is what I want to mention here. Let me give a small demo of how a live automation batch will look like. Okay. Live automation space. I'll just go there. Let me give a small demo of our live automation will be there. You see, we created a live automation. We'll take one by one test case here, guys. 1.5 month. It's 1.5 month, 1.5 month. Did I mention anything wrong there? 1.5 months, I said month. Okay, months, not years. Okay, it's 1.5 month and it will be continued. If you want to be part of the future other activities, you can continue. But the skills that are really required for software testing jobs will be covered in 1.5 month. The extra skills you can continue with us. Okay, got it? The extra skills that we cover on the weekends and all those crash courses, right? You can continue. Yes, I'll cover everything, but on weekend crash course. As part of weekend crash courses, I'll cover APM, R, API, etc. Okay. The extra topics will be covered on weekend crash courses. General trainings will have only manual testing, Selenium Java. Whoever is opting for this also is eligible for weekends also. You don't have to pay a separate amount. And I'll be teaching all this stuff, security, all the software testing related stuff, lot of motivation, lot of, guidance, resume building stuffs, taking interviews for you. Everything will be there here, guys, in this program. Okay. Everything will be there. So on weekdays, it will not be there. Weekends, it will be there. Okay. Okay, fine. Then let me give a demonstration. Uday, I'll come to your question. Don't worry. I'll come to your question, Uday. Just don't worry. So here, guys, in our live automation project batch, you see, we have written some scripts, automation scripts here. I'll run and show you one of the automation script. This is how I have written this particular automation code live. Okay, I have taken one of the test cases. These are the test. There are 500 test cases with us. You see, can someone do this in the training programs? Do they create this many test cases for you? They say, what is software testing? Okay. What is the importance of software testing? All the definitions they will give you. But they will give you this kind of real-time stuff like test case document, and can they take each and every test case and automate before you? Do they do that, guys? Yes, we can give certification, no problem. We can give certifications. Our team is ready to give you the certifications and all the stuff. Right? Fine. They will not give you this kind of stuff, guys. Okay, who will teach you this? Okay, you will get full confidence. No training institute will give you all these test cases for you. There are 500 plus test cases of a single application. We are not going to stop here. We are going to continue our journey. Okay, so even though you are not working in a company, you will feel like working with me. Okay, that's what is the simulation I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to simulate your job here so that you will get confident and attend your interviews in a proper way. For example, I have taken this particular test case, guys, by following the steps provided and expected results provided here. Let's assume I have already automated this using Selenium Java. I have written the code. I'll just run this and show you. I cannot write it before you right now. You see, this is already written as part of one day we have written this code. Second day we have written another test case, automate another test case. Third day we have automated another test case. Like that, every day we are going to automate some test case. This is what is live implementation batch. Okay. There is no teaching here. There is only implementation project work. Okay. Live implementation batch / project work, you can say. Projects. Okay. So here with this, you will get a lot of confidence, guys. Okay. If you are afraid of joining a software testing company, if you are a fresher or something, and you are not getting calls or whatever it may be. Okay. This will be more useful to build the confidence and to crack the job well. Okay. Fine. Now I'll come to the questions again. Yes. Live implementation according to the industry standards only it will be there. Fine, Nivas. So some person has asked me a question like, there are no calls for freshers. Who said that there is no calls for the freshers? It's not like that. There are no calls for any field, but now calls are improving. Okay, now calls are improving, guys. You see, I conducted some surveys here. You can see the surveys here. With the surveys, you should get the idea. Lot of doubts people have. What do you think about software testing from above posts? You see, is it the end of software testing? No software testing. The answer is here. Software testing is not going to end. It's going to evolve. Okay. We are going to a different dimension here. Is QA role dying? No. It's exaggerated. People are frightening you. They are unnecessarily causing fear to you, saying that there is no jobs anymore. Like that, they are creating fear in the market. But software testing is required, guys. Without software testing, we'll get a lot of products which are having a lot of defects. Okay. So here, what do you think about software testing for above pros means it's evolving or it's dying? You see, 79% people say it's evolving. Do you want to go with the majority or not? Guys? Live automation batch is an ongoing thing. You can join anytime, Snehal. Okay. There's no start or end point for that. If you know Selenium Java, you can join at any point of time. Recordings will be provided to you if you miss anything also. Okay. We are going to start anyhow, but you can join anytime. There's no start and end point for that. Yes. Correct, Nivas. To control AI, AI may not be correct, right? You try to use ChatGPT, it will also is defective. Okay. So it is going to evolve. It is going to evolve, but not going to die. Software testing is one of the important phase in software development life cycle. Okay, in software development life cycle, SDLC, where the softwares get developed and produced into the market, testing plays a critical role. Cannot say that testing is going to die or something. Okay, and coming to the jobs, guys, coming to the jobs, I was conducting one more survey somewhere here. You see, that's okay. The survey came here, that's okay. But I have watched a lot of interviews by different people, and they were saying that from February month onwards itself, not now. Okay, from the February month itself, that the selection started. But the problem is that they started with the senior people. Okay, they started with the senior people. They started with the senior people. Okay, so they started taking the experienced people because they wanted experienced people. Now the time has come where a lot of companies are posting jobs on software testing for freshers. They are doing drives again. Got it? They are doing drives again. You can see in the market some news about the jobs. Okay, you can find it out. I am following a lot of people and have listened to a lot of things. It's all are negative news, guys. Okay, all are negative news. Only thing is that jobs are going to come. There is no end to software testing. Jobs need to be created. You see, a cycle. Every time a cycle will take. I'll give you one of my example. Okay, when I joined my engineering in the 2007 year, 2003 year. Okay, at that time, computer science was completely down. Okay, there was a problem. There was a problem because of which a lot of people have lost their jobs. Okay, not only the software people, but also the people who run these computer institutes and all those stuff. Right, they went onto the road completely. But what happened later? Just within 2 years of time, everything started to come backward. Okay, so by the time I have completed my engineering, again the jobs for software were there, right? So I went into software testing, have 12 years of experience. Okay, I worked in a test lead roles, senior test lead roles, and kind of different decision making roles and proposals creations for the clients and all those stuff. I worked in many projects, many automations, manual testing, automation testing, everything. Okay, and I'm also a part of I have also organized a COE for security testing in one of the companies. Okay, so that much experience I have, guys. So with this experience, I am saying that job market is not going to go anywhere. It is recovering slowly. It is recovering slowly. Okay, so soonly, currently experienced people got the jobs till now, but maybe in this quarter, this 3 to 6 months, the freshers also will get the job updates. I've seen my friends, children, and all are getting placed. Okay. If you already have completed Selenium's Suhas, you can join the live implementation batch in that case. Okay. You can attend the live implementation batch. And if you're not confident with the training content, then only training batch. You can also be part of the training batch also. I'm not restricting you there. Okay, if you're not you completed something but you didn't understand something in Selenium as part of learning part, you can attend the training and live. Both you can attend also. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, but to attend live implementation, you should have the knowledge of training. Yes, on the weekends it will be covered. As part of weekend crash course, it will be covered to you, Zaid. Okay, lot of other topics of software testing will be covered on weekends. On weekends, we'll have all the we'll do a lot of magic here. Okay, So no training institute will give you this much of training for this much of price, guys. Okay. We are 100x. Okay. We'll give you 100x. Yes, you can get a job. There will be risk, but you'll be able to get a job. Okay. If you have a career gap, you still can get the job, but you'll have some risk. Okay. You can talk to our team member Javed. He'll explain you what if you have a gap, what you have to do and all. He'll guide you there. Okay. Javed will guide you there. Fine. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Keep posting. If I have not answered any questions, you can repost again so that I'm looking into the chat box right now. Guys, if I have not answered any of your questions here, you can keep asking me freshly. Okay? Can keep asking me freshly. We provide the recordings, guys. We provide the recordings. You see, all the recordings, not just of the current batches. Previous batch recordings also will be provided. You see, batch 1 recordings are there here. Framework recordings are there. Batch 2 recordings are there. Batch 3, batch 4. Weekend crash courses. You see, every weekend we'll take a topic. Introduction to Selenium was one weekend topic. Core Java for Selenium was another. Selenium getting started was another weekend. Java continued was another weekend. Selenium Java advanced was another weekend. This weekend we are going to start framework concepts. This weekend we have frameworks. We are going to take the entire 2 days for explaining the frameworks. Full dedication on the framework. Building the frameworks from scratch. How to create. Not just explaining the frameworks. We'll create from scratch. Can I code and run the scripts from my machine? Can I get access to the application in implementation? What does it mean, Prasanna? I didn't get that question properly. What does it mean? 5 days. Karthik, it will be 5 days. Okay. Monday to Friday. The classes will be, weekday classes will be Monday to Friday. Weekend crash courses will be morning to evening, right? Yeah, I'll teach you. The installation part also I'll teach you. You can install after my training, right? You can install. Okay. No problem. I'll teach you how to install from scratch. I'll also cover the installation, guys. My way of teaching will be very easy and very step-by-step process, very organized because I am been teaching from the year 2013 onwards. From the year 2013 onwards, I am taking trainings. I'm a Udemy instructor. I'm a corporate training for SCL and Capgemini. Okay. Got it, guys? I have a YouTube channel with the name QFox. Everyone is aware of. We have recently reached 1 lakh plus subscribers. Live automation on weekdays. Live automation is going on weekdays. Live automation is going on weekdays. We can give certifications for sure. Definitely. Vivo. Okay. You need to update your name. Vivo is like Vivo 1927 means I'll not understand your name. Just give your name. Rename yourself in the chat box. Better. Project duration, I told you, right? The project duration is 1.5 month in an optimized way where you get ready for the job here, but that is not the end of our trainings. We have a university concept where even after 1.5 month completed also, you can continue with our other training topics. Okay. That will keep continuing to increase your confidence and all. We have 2 training batch types. One is training and other one is live implementation. This is lifetime access free training, whereas this is also lifetime access free live implementation batch where you just have to enroll only once. Okay. For this, you have to enroll using rupees 2000. Sorry. For this, you have to enroll using 5,000 rupees. And for this also, you have to enroll using 5,000. Okay. Separately.
Hi.
Yes.
What I'm
Yes.
trying
One by one, please. Okay. So just give me a second. Zaid is asking me API testing Postman will be covered. Yes, I'll be covering. Okay. Yeah, Prasanna.
Yeah, what I'm trying to ask is like when you said like in implementation batch, like you will be scripting, right? Like I was
Yes,
wondering.
I'll be writing the code.
Yeah, can we also write the code along with you?
I'll also give you assignments, okay? So that you can
Okay.
do it and come back.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's
So,
what.
but I will be driving. You see, it's like, when you, it's like, I'll be there. Okay, kind of. Okay.
So
So I'll be pushing you, and you can do it, but I'm not force you or something. So you just
no,
have to do it. Okay. At the end, I am going to solve it. Okay. Fine.
so what I'm trying to understand is like can we write like experts and everything, because like for that we need to have the access to the application that you're scripting for, right? That's what I'm
Yeah,
trying.
the application that I am scripting will be there. The different applications will be scripting. Some real applications also will take. This 500 plus test cases application also will take. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this
Mm-hmm.
application you can access and practice there. No problem at all.
Okay, that's what I want to ask. Okay,
Yeah, you can
thank you.
practice, no problem. And also, if you have any questions, also you can get it cleared. There is no hurry burry kind of stuff here. The main thing is like, should get
Mm-hmm.
confidence levels, and it's like a side hustle project. Even
Mm-hmm.
though the people are working in some companies, right, they may not get the chance to work on the automation. They keep waiting, right? For them also, it's a very good chance because, I'll be live in live. I'll be automating, and also I'll give you some assignments. It's up to you whether you want to do it or not. I'll not make it mandatory though. Okay, if you
No,
do
I
it,
wanted
your
to do
own
it.
benefit.
That's why I wanted to be in like both training and implementation. I want to do both parallelly so that like
Oh yes, that will be a good idea because if you are not fully into Selenium Java 8 and if you have some gaps left out or something you want to revise or something, whatever the reasons may be, okay, you can
mm-hmm.
be there. And also at the same time, it's not about Selenium Java as someone was asking me, right, whether API testing will be there, whether Postman will
Mm-hmm.
be there. So we'll be continuously taking weekend crash courses. Okay.
Okay.
In
Okay.
that weekend crash courses, some topics will be covered. This weekend we have completely we'll be dedicating our 2 days on weekends. I mean on these frameworks, building the frameworks from scratch. Okay, that is
Mm-hmm.
see in just 2 days you will learn the frameworks. You'll get confident in frameworks. Okay, in just 2 days you'll be confident in core Java like that. Okay, so and if you feel that that is very too fast, right, you can also attend my weekday batches. Okay, weekday batches for learning and weekends for weekend crash courses for revision or to revise yourself. You don't have to waste a lot of time, right? Revising and all. Just attend that weekend things and you will get revised. And also new things will be covered on the weekends crash courses.
Did the implementation batch started already or
It's
like?
already, but it's in the very beginning itself. Okay, just 3 test cases we automated as a sample. Okay, that's it.
Okay, sure.
I didn't, but even if it goes way far, also not a problem because if not register account, if not this register account, will be automating login functionality. That's it, right? Functionality to
Okay.
functionality, anyhow, it will be different. Any point of time, anyone can join. That's not a problem. Okay.
Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you.
Once this is completed, we'll not stop there. We'll take another application and automate that application also. We'll take different application, try to solve challenges. It keeps going on. Okay. And all the
Yeah.
recordings on the top of that, all the recordings will be provided to you. I told you here, right? We have these recordings, you see. Just give me a second. I'll just take you there. You see, this is a live automation batch. Okay. So here I'm posting the recording. These are some recordings of the 3 test cases we have automated. Okay. And here are the training related batch folder is this one. Okay, the people who enroll for the training, right, they will have the access to this folder. The people who enroll for the implementation or live automation or this project work kind of stuff, right, they will be getting the access to this. The people who enroll for both the things, right, will get access to both of those. Okay, folders like that. Okay, every future past every recording will be there. You don't have to worry. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, sir,
Yes. Yes,
sir.
Nitish.
Yeah, this when this project batch will start, sir?
Project live automation batch. This one,
Yes,
right?
this
Right,
project
right side
batch.
one, right? This project batch, right? It started. Just 3 test cases we have automated. Okay, you can join. Okay, you can join right away, not to miss anything. It doesn't matter when you join. Okay, every test case will be
So
considered separate and explained to you. No problem.
it will be on weekdays or weekends, sir,
Weekdays,
this batch?
weekdays, weekdays at 7:15 p.m. IST to 8:15 p.m. IST max.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Fine. It
This
will be from 7:15 p.m. onwards. Okay, to the 8:15 p.m. 1 hour it will be there, and this training will be on the weekdays.
sir,
Will be
duration, sir. This
there is no end point. That's what I told you, right? We keep on automating. You can join anytime. We keep on automating. If this application is over, we'll take another application. Got it? It's a never ending cycle
okay.
kind of stuff. Okay. So only one time subscription you
Okay.
have to
This
take and you just need to continue. That's it. Okay. Every day we'll be automating something
and this,
so that your knowledge will increase.
on the
Yeah.
left side, this is weekend batch, no, sir.
It
Selenium
is
batch.
both weekday and weekends. Okay, this training is on weekdays and weekends. Weekdays it will be there for 1 hour from 8:30 p.m. IST to 9:30 p.m. IST, and on the weekends crash courses will be there. So whatever I cover on the weekdays, right? Apart from that, any other extra things are there along with the content. It will be repeated on the weekends, but the timings will be very high, like 7 hours, 8 hours of training I'll take. Okay, on
Sir,
Saturday.
I had already learned.
On Sunday,
I
7 to
had
8 hours.
already learned.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I had already learned Selenium, so I can. Sir, I had already learned Selenium.
You already have the knowledge of Selenium and Java?
Hello?
Yes, Nitish, I am able to
Yes,
hear
sir.
you. If you already have the knowledge of Selenium and Java, you can
So
directly
I
join
want.
here. And if you want to get this API things and all the weekend crash courses, then you can also opt for training batch. Okay, in that case.
So I had already learned Selenium. So I'm having career gap. So I want to cover the career gap. So I can join
You
in
need to reach out to
project batch.
Javed. You need to reach out to Javed. Okay, it doesn't matter
Okay, sir.
which batch, but if you are a part of us, right, automatically you can reach out to Javed and get it. And also, as part of live implementation batch and projects, we'll also give you the certificates like internship program certifications like that you have done internship with us kind of things. If you want some letters from our company, we'll give you. No worries. Okay, we can adjust that
Okay.
certificates or internship durations letters or offer letters if you want anything from us, we are ready to provide you if you are part of this live implementation batch. Okay. On top of
Okay,
that,
sir.
the people who have the gap or currently are in gap, okay, can utilize the certificates to get, without, because some people have lost their jobs, right? They also can get benefit from that instead of being
So
added
for 5,000,
part of the internship
for
program.
5,000, see if we pay 5,000 means we can access the training batch and in project batch, sir.
No. They both are separate. Okay. Training batch 5,000 and this implementation batch 5,000. Both are separate. Okay.
Okay.
You have to enroll in, if you want to enroll in two things, you have to pay 10,000. If you want to enroll in one of them, you have to pay 5,000. Okay. Either of this or either of this 5,000 like that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sandeep is saying I'm not non-IT guy and I have enrolled for only testing. I want to enroll for implementation where I can enroll. If you want to enroll for implementation, reach out to Javed. These are the details of the Javed. I'll also post in the chat box again. Okay. I'll also post in the chat box again. Sandeep, you can take it from there. Okay. You can reach out to Javed with these details. Okay. He will help you in enrolling. Fine. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone?
Yeah, hi QFX. I have some questions.
Yeah, Nivas. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, in live implementation, whether it will be industry standard or like we will be automating only single test cases.
Initially, it will be single test cases. Over a period of time, it will convert into the project wise.
Yeah,
Okay.
in that we will be using Jenkins also.
Everything, CI/CD, everything will be covered. No, you see, it's a side hustle project. It keeps on evolving. Like real projects keep on evolving, right? In the beginning days, real projects, how they will start, like that only this also will start. Individual test cases will be automated and all. Once
Yeah,
a project, once a particular point of time comes where we feel, hectic kind of work coming, right? We'll use the frameworks and we'll create the frameworks from scratch and and then convert the automated test case according to the frameworks and we'll integrate CI/CD pipelines and we'll do a lot of stuff, other things,
cross
other
browser and
stuff.
parallel testing as well, right?
Everything will be there. No need to worry much. Okay.
Yeah,
Every concept, there is no end. That's why I'm not giving any contents. If I give contents, I have to fix to it, right? I don't give content because we are very flexible batch. We want to cover everything. Okay, it's like a university. You are joining our university. We want to make sure that you are good in all directions and areas, and you are confident and away it when compared to the people who are already working in the companies. We want to make sure that you are way ahead of them. Okay, that's the plan.
okay, thank you.
Yes, if you are new to software testing, no need to worry. Suhas, like everything will be taught from scratch. You don't have to worry anything. We'll explain everything from scratch. Okay. No need to worry. You just need to know how to use computer. That's enough. Okay. Remaining all I'll take care. I am the trainer. My name is Arun Motori. Okay. So I'll be taking care of the stuff. Okay. Fine. Any other questions? Any other doubts? Anyone? I'm getting a lot of questions. That's great.
Sir, this live
Yes.
project recording sessions will be there, sir. If I miss any class.
Recordings will be there. I told you, right? These are the recordings. Here we have in this folder, the recordings will be there. So once you enroll, right, I will give you the access for this. We'll get the recordings. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So initially the test cases will be automated in a normal way. once we get habituated and all those stuff, right, we'll move to the framework parts and we'll write the automation scripts in a industry standard and we'll optimize and, we'll reduce the number of lines of code and we'll try to simulate whatever that happens in the real time in the companies. Okay. So no need to worry about that. At the end of this, right, while going through this or almost at the end of this, you will feel like, you are very confident. Okay. Software tester packages depends on company to company. Like development packages also differ to company. But what I feel here is, should get at least, 3 lakhs minimum. Okay. 3 lakhs minimum should be the starting package for the software tester as a fresher nowadays. Fine. Minimum is 3 lakhs. 3 to 5 should be the minimum. 3 to 5 is the range I decide. Okay. If you have 2 years of experience, let's say, then you may get 5 to 8 or something like that. And if you have 5 years of experience, you may get 8 to 14 also sometimes. Okay. It depends on the skill set and all. Okay. Yes, Nitish.
Sir, some rumors, I'm hearing some rumors, sir, like, sir, for software testing, less jobs are there.
No,
Then
that
heavy
is wrong.
competition is there.
Okay. It is evolving. It's evolving. It's not dying. Okay. That's a wrong rumor. It's a rumor. As you said, it is a rumor. It's a rumor itself because I've seen a lot of people got jobs recently also. Okay. I assume I really say that in the beginning months of this year there were no jobs, but recently I started seeing a lot of traction, guys. Okay. Again, we are getting software testing jobs. I keep posting the jobs here. You see, I keep posting the jobs in this Telegram group. Okay. Somewhere here I posted, I don't remember here where I posted that job. Okay, this is, you see, QA lead job is there. Okay, QA lead job is there. I keep posting whatever the information we have or our team have, right? They keep on, posting. You see, is QA role dying or is it the end of software testing? Lot of videos are there in the YouTube, guys. You can watch them. Everyone will say that it's evolving, not dying. Okay, it's evolving, it's not dying. Okay, it's evolving because a lot of technology will come, means a lot of testing is required. Okay, so without software testers, maybe it's more risky for developers than testers, I can say at this moment, because testers and developers will do the same thing over a period of time, because whatever the code that the developers have to write, the AI tool is writing, right? So ultimately we need software testers, right? Software testers will not go away because they are like, they have to do it. Okay. Tools cannot, AI tools cannot simulate the software testers. Okay. Even when automation testing also came into picture, a lot of people think that this automation tools like Selenium will take away the jobs of the software tester, but it didn't happen. Number of projects increased, number of jobs also got increased. Now we are in a situation where the companies are in a confused state, but they are slowly getting realized that you just go and watch the LinkedIn, guys. They are not talking about AI much. Earlier they used to talk. They used to hype about AI. Now they are not talking about AI. They feel embarrassed if they talk about AI because there is nothing in AI. What is there in AI? Nothing is there in AI. Okay, so if AI comes also, number of projects have to increase. The type of complexity of the applications will increase and the number of job roles will increase. Okay. Number of jobs will definitely increase, guys. No need to worry, but we should not leave our hope. The industry is improving now. Okay. The, US is also taking some steps to, counter the inflation and all. Recently, have you heard the news, right? 0.5 interest rate cuts were done by the US, so that what happens, a lot of companies in the US will take loans and will start some startup companies, and because of which some software companies will evolve and a lot of projects will come automatic, business will run good there, and because of which a lot of software requirements will come to India and get outsourced because we work for less amount. Okay. The vacancies are there, guys. Okay. The vacancies are there. If you are not finding, means your skill set is not up to the mark. Skill set is important nowadays. Okay. The job vacancies are there. You have to become a very good software tester, all-rounder software tester. You have to become to get the jobs and to crack the jobs, because people are already cracking the jobs. If you are not getting calls, means there is some problem in the way you are approaching. Okay.
Sir,
So
nowadays,
yes.
the companies are asking rest assured.
Yes, companies will ask you API testing, rest assured, that is compulsory nowadays. Okay, that is compulsory nowadays. Earlier, only manual testing was there. When I joined the companies, like in the 2007 year to 2010 year, there were some job roles for manual testing, okay, separate job roles, okay. They used to test how we are going to write the test cases and all those stuff. Later, what happened? The job openings started, and in the way that, compulsory automation, Selenium Java automation should be there. Okay, compulsory Selenium Java automation should be there. After that, what happened? Nowadays, they are also expecting API automation, mobile automation, rest assured, APM, and everything they are expecting. Okay. Yes. No. If you increase your skill set, definitely the possibility of you getting the job will increase. Okay. Maybe whatever the skill set you are thinking is very good may not be good. You have to go to the next levels. Okay. You have to be different from the competition. If you are same person in the head, right, you will not get job calls. Okay. You have to learn something like performance security. Okay. Yes, we'll cover. We'll guide you everywhere, guys. Okay. Resume preparation, interview questions preparation. I'll guide you everywhere. Don't worry. Okay. As part of this university trainings and live implementation, we'll get all the assistance from me. Okay. We are only charging minimal amount only. The reason behind that is we want to take only the serious people. We don't want non-serious people. We want serious people. For serious people, we want to train them, shape them, and make them good in the market. Okay. So that they get the jobs. Fine. So just see here, someone has posted here. You see, internal referring also will happen in our groups, guys. Our group is so matured. It has become so matured that, internal referrings are also happening. Okay. Yes, you see, a lot of discussions are happening. I am not the only one who is helping you in clearing your doubts. If you are part of my training side, you will be part of this WhatsApp group, because if you are part of the WhatsApp group, right, a lot of people are there to help you out, and you see, some people are posting the jobs. If anyone is having 5 years experience, we have referral in our company. You see, internal referrals also will come for you. Okay, internal referrals also will come to you. Okay, you can.
For live project, separate group will be there, sir, in WhatsApp.
Yes, live project also separate group is there. We have live automation group here. Okay, where we share the code and all those stuff. Okay, live automation separate batch is there, and this also training also separate batch is there. You see, everywhere we are good, guys. Okay, everywhere we are good. We are. You see, the community is working very well, and lot of discussions. You see, this kind of discussions, serious discussions, will not happen, because we only take serious people who generally enroll into our universities. Okay. See, congratulations. You see, someone has posted recently. Just a quick reminder to everyone that never give up, keep learning, and keep giving interviews. After being rejected in 14 plus companies over the course of last 5 months, I'm happy to share that I finally cracked 2 offers, one service based and one product based with 200% hike. So don't fear of interviews, work hard, and you guys will also be able to get dream job. Happy learning. One of our students. Okay. So why to get demotivated, guys? You see, a lot of people demotivate you, but look for motivation, see the positive side, see what exactly is going on, follow proper people, okay? And increase your skill set, become somewhat different from other people. Definitely you are going to get a job, okay? I am there to mentor you guys. Don't worry, I am going to guide you, I am going to mentor you, I am going to shape you, okay? It's not just a training program, guys, it's a guidance program also, okay? If you're part of us, everything will be there. So don't worry about that. Okay. Whatever that is required for you to get selected in the companies, I am going to take care of that for sure. Fine. Any other questions, anyone? Yeah, Suhas, there are some ways. Okay. If you are from BSc, BSc or something, right? There are ways. Okay. Don't worry. There are ways. So you can learn something that other people don't learn. Then you will get the job. Okay. Fine then. Any other things? Also, Suhas, what you can do is you can take our internship program, put that as an offer letter. We take our offer letters, and once you join this live implementation batch, we'll provide you offer letters, and internship experience letter will give you. You can try that. Using that experience letter, you can go into one company. That's also is fine. Okay. For experienced people, they'll not ask you, right? Some companies will ask still, but some companies will not ask. You can join the startup companies initially. A lot of opportunities are there. Okay, don't go into the negative world. Okay, don't be in the safe zone also. Okay, so try to risk the things in the life. Okay, if without risking, right, you'll not achieve anything. Yes, everything will be there. Resume preparation, interview questions preparation. Yeah, any other questions? Final
Sir,
call, guys. Yeah.
sir, another, sir, for this
Yes.
live implementation, when this new project will start, sir?
No, it started right now. It's going to continue. Okay.
So no, already it
Right.
was in middle now, sir, for new
No,
project.
not middle, just two test cases. How can you say that it is middle if it is showed only two test cases? Those two are
Okay,
independent test cases. Okay. I'm going to freshly automate the third test case. Okay. So there is nothing that you
okay,
have to do. Okay. If you are already good with Selenium Java, you can join that. Okay.
okay.
Fine. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone? Final call. 3 more minutes you have to ask the questions. Then I'll wrap up for this demo session. Anyone have any other questions? Okay, then fine. Looks like the questions have been answered. So that's all about this demo session or webinar or whatever you say. Okay. And also my course marketing also. At the same time, I need to agree with that. We have these two batches to summarize. Okay. You can join any of this or both of them. Each one will cost you rupees 5,000 rupees. And if you are interested, you can reach out to Javed and get yourself enrolled. If any other questions are there, okay, you can reach out to Javed. No, I'm not taking offline courses, Karthik. Only online courses. Okay, over Zoom call. Okay, no offline courses. I don't take offline. Fine then. So that's all, guys. Thanks for attending and being there till the end of this session. Okay, that means a lot. Okay, so hoping to see you guys in the training programs and live implementation side as well projects and work projects. Okay, see you there, guys. Bye, everyone. See you.